Okay, morning, day 2 of the hog trip to Krabi. We're going to hear a start up of a Bed Sam or 883 with stage 4. Stage 4, so it's a 1200cc. And we have the short shots by Vance and Hines. Okay, in your own time. Love it, love it. Woo! This exhaust is Bassani. Okay, this exhaust is Trask. Mak, thank you. Oh, it's Road King, very loud. Okay, go. Awesome. Thanks. That's awesome. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, in your own time you can start and then rev up. So we have another Vance and Hines. Oh, we have a Bassani here. We have a Bassani. Now your turn. You okay for you, Rev? Okay. Another Bassani. This is on a Streetbob. Known C 114. Okay. Brand new bike. Nice, thank you. Okay. You want to start up? You want to start up? Oh, is this TBR?
HBI.
Oh, okay.
High performance injection. เดี๋ยวนู่นที่นู่นได้ไหม next stop ได้ไหม next stop.
Oh, next stop. Okay. We're saving this for the next stop. Next stop. All right, we're going to hear exhaust sound from Kun
มาลงช่อง
Boots.
มาเร็วนี่พี่โทนพี่เซนลงช่อง
All right.
พี่เซนสตาร์ทด้วยพี่โทนสตาร์ทเบิ้ลด้วยพี่โทนจัดการเลย
Can.
and that's
And we need to get your other bike. You have 2 more bikes, yeah? Yeah. What's the most powerful bike?
ฮะอ๋อโมเหรอ
Which one แรงมาก
ตัวไอ้บ็อกเหรอ